Over the last few days, as you probably know, Ethereum took a bit of a correction. It corrected about 15%, but since then, Ethereum is back up to the $3,900 level and rallied about 13–14%. The important thing to remember, guys, in a bull market, these small corrections, 15, 20, even 30%, are not uncommon. For example, you had here 30% correction, you had this little correction here, 14% correction, and the recent one was just 14–15%. I mentioned on Twitter on the 10th of December, a couple of days ago, it's now the 12th, that bear market pumps are for selling, but we're in a bull market. Bull market dips are for buying, and that's exactly what I did. I've actually added to my long trade here, haven't taken any profits off the table. Unfortunately, in these situations where you get these sharp sell-offs, those that are using bad risk management, let's say, do get wiped out, and a lot of leverage gets flushed out the system. So my important update here is the following. Ethereum is looking really, really good. Not only are we above the monthly level, again, of support, the monthly level of support, $3,750, we're also above the weekly level, which is $3,890. And you can also see on this chart that Ethereum is once again back above the breakout zone, which is around $3,800 as well. We're in this beautiful textbook cup and handle pattern, and Ethereum is looking more bullish than ever. And in fact, over the last few days, despite the sell-off, the Ethereum spot ETF inflows are still positive. What does that mean? It means that the big money, the money that matters, other than retail, you and I, are buying Ethereum. BlackRock are buying Ethereum. These huge financial institutions have an interest, and the Bitcoin dominance is actually still falling. It had a small pump when the whole crypto market was falling, but it's back beneath this 0.5 fib level. It's struggling to get above this, and I believe Bitcoin dominance falls to around the 52 to even 50% level, which of course is good for the total 3 market cap. Again, this is the altcoin market above key levels of breakouts. The Ethereum Bitcoin chart is looking good because it's in this downward falling wedge, but it's breaking resistance levels. The Ethereum dominance is on the rise, and we're seeing a big turnaround in the market right now. But the important thing to remember for right now, Ethereum on every time frame, on every chart, is looking incredibly bullish, above the weekly level, above the major breakout zone. We're above the monthly level, and the next target for Ethereum is likely to hit around $4,600 before we break all-time high. And we're uptrending in this bull market parallel channel, and this could take us up to somewhere in the region of $6,000–7,000 before the next major pullback. I'm talking 30% correction. We recently had a 15% correction. We flushed out all the leverage. Great entry in my opinion now, but of course not financial advice. That's just what I believe. So yes, I'm keeping this trade open. Currently 1.35 mil in profit, and I'm going to be probably extending that position based on what I'm seeing in the chart. But make sure you have the bell turned on. Make sure you'll follow me on Twitter as well, at @MarsLCrypto. And don't forget, guys, I have sign-up bonuses down below where you can get some free crypto to try the platforms out. Thank you for joining me. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.